We're here with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission talking about Halloween recipes that are far from scary. They're definitely delicious. Right now we are making bewitching spirals, and it's got some fresh ingredients going inside.
It does. This is such a fun recipe to make, and we were talking about whether you have that Halloween party or a football watching party. These would be a great recipe to make and have hot from the oven. I have one package of soy cream cheese here, and to that you're going to add a half a cup of, this is a Colby Jack combination of grated cheddar cheese. Do I need it? Yep. There we go.
Perfect.
All right. And then we have 1/4 cup of bacon. Oh my goodness, that adds extra flavor there to it. I should give you this.
Perfect. There we go.
And now we have the orange bell pepper. This time of year we can find all these fun colors that we can make for Halloween. And then we have some 1/4 cup of green onion.
Does look very Halloween-y.
Yeah. All we're going to do is just mix that together. And this is so simple. Even your children would love to do this and have a great snack that they can make. That's all there is to it. And now I rolled this out ahead of time. You'll want to use, it's 1 can of crescent rolls. And then when they come out, they're like in two rolls, and I just kind of patted them together. And then what we're going to do is just put this mixture on top of it and spread it out. And what we'll do is roll it up like a jelly roll. And what I like to do, if the dough starts to get a little warm, put it in the refrigerator a little bit.
Right. And
then it'll be easier to roll. So we'll see if we can roll that there.
A lot easier than it sounds, right?
Yep. And I'm just going to kind of show how to do it. But you'd roll it like this, and then we'd put this actually in the refrigerator for an hour and let that chill really good. And then you're going to slice it into 16 slices, bake it at 350 degrees, and put those slices down, and you have these wonderful little crescent just filled with deliciousness in every bite. And then to make the creature part of it, before you serve it, you can just stick in these little pretzels.
That makes them almost too cute to eat, but not that cute, right?
That's right. And there you have it.
Yum!
You have little creatures on your table.
That's right. Perfect for your Halloween parties,
That's right.
fall tailgates, anything, and they're quick and easy to do. Where can people find this recipe?
KansasSoybeans.org, and they can also find the wonderful ribs we did this morning.
All right. Thanks so much, Charlene, and thank you for watching Midday in Kansas. Have a good day.
Get the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.com or follow WIBW on Twitter.